Welcome to Sew for Self with LSC. I'm Melanda, and here's where I teach you how to sew high fashion garments for yourself. But before we get started, click that subscribe button and that notification bell. I'll give you a couple seconds, but in the meantime, let's reminisce for a minute. You know how when your mom used to yell at you to make you do things? Subscribe to my channel! So, subscribe, click the notification. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle skirt. You're like, Melanda, a circle skirt. That's not high fashion. Well, our circle skirt is a patent leather double circle skirt. Now that you're excited, let's begin. Now it's time to do the math. Our client is a 28-inch waist divided by 2, because we're making a double circle skirt, equals 14. We take that 14 and divide it by 6.28, which gives us around about 2 inches. We take our pattern paper or fabric and we measure in 2 inches here, 2 inches across, 2 inches in the middle, and we connect the dots. The length of our skirt, our client wants a mini, so we start here and we come down 16 inches, 16 inches across, 16 inches in the middle, and we connect our dots. We can make this even easier by going here, which is byhandlondon.com, and plug in our measurements. Remember, we're plugging in half our waist measurements because we're going to do a double circle skirt. I will put the link in the bio. Here's where we have our measurement. This is our first measurement. It's so small because that's an 1/8 of our waist. So you're taking your ruler, you're measuring down, and then you're going around with that first measurement we did. Okay, now your second measurement is the length, how long you want the skirt, and you'll take it from here down, however long you want your skirt. Okay, and then you'll map that out all the way around. You'll map it out all the way around. So here, you're cutting here, and then you're cutting here, and that's your pattern. We'll take our vinyl, fold it in half, then fold it in half again. Put our pattern right here on top. You can trace it and cut through all 4 layers. So we should have a whole circle. So this is our first full circle. Here. Perfect. So then we're doing it again, same exact way. Circles. So now what we're going to do, just cut a straight line. Don't worry if it's not perfect in the middle. Okay, so now since we have our 2 circles, we're going to need to sew them together. here and sew here. Now that you sewed both the sides closed, you need to work on the waistband. We're gonna do a 2-inch waistband. So it needs to be 4.5 inches wide and about 4 inches or so longer than your waist. Draw out your waistband. Simple. And cut it up. Our waistband that we cut out, 4.5 inches wide and 4 inches longer than our waist. And then we have the skirt we sewed closed. So we're gonna put the zipper here and the band around both. Attach our waistband attached to our skirt. So you're gonna lift it up, still inside out. Take your waistband. Let's see, about 2 inches or so away from the edge of your skirt, away from where you sewed it at. Okay. I know they say don't put pins in vinyl, but whatever. We have to poke holes in it to sew it. You're attaching it like so. You're attaching one end of the band to your circle. That's all. And you're following it all the way around. So you're putting the right side of the band to the wrong side of the skirt. That is how you're attaching it. As you can see, I pinned everything down all the way around. So next, all of this will be sewn together. The band is attached all the way around. Then we fold it and sew it down here. So you're folding it under 1/4 of an inch, but you're sewing it 1/4 of an inch under the first stitch. Now, since we have attached the waistband all the way around, what's next is to place the zipper, which will be here on the side seam. Our patent leather double circle skirt is now complete. How I style this video is coming soon. Thanks for watching Sew for Self with LSC.